Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the phone, and hold the device-specific buttons to boot into recovery. For many devices, that is power plus volume up. Once you see the logo, release power and keep volume to enter the recovery menu. Make sure USB debugging is enabled earlier if you plan to use ADB. This lets you sideload updates. If ADB is unavailable, skip to the local wipe options. Take a breath. This first step places you in the environment where fixes happen. Once in recovery, navigate with volume keys and select with power. You control every action. Start by wiping the cache partition to remove temporary files that cause boot loops. This preserves user data. If the problem persists, use ADB sideload to apply a verified OTA zip. On a PC, run a DB sideload file name. Zip and watch progress. Make sure the zip matches your firmware region and model to avoid mismatches. If you must, perform a factory reset as a last. You finish by selecting Reboot System now. Patience is required because the first boot can take several minutes as it rebuilds caches. Once booted, restore your backup or sign into accounts and verify core apps. If the phone remains stuck, re-enter recovery and consider reflashing the factory image with Fast Boot using the correct device image. This is a more complete reinstall. Troubleshooting tip. If reflashing fails, confirm drivers and USB cable integrity, and try a different USB port or PC before concluding hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.